Let me stand on the protocol firmly established by the Emperor. I want to use this medium to commend the youth leadership in Anambra State for an excellent conduct of themselves. I very, very deeply appreciate the way you carried out your protest. I saw amongst yourselves the people controlling yourselves, making sure that people go about their business lawfully, no roadblocks, and many things you did excellently well. Even when you went to the SARS office and wherever, there were no disturbances. I made a promise 5 days ago to yourselves that all your requests will be granted. And this is the last of your requests that I'm implementing today. That is to inaugurate a panel, judicial panel of inquiry. That's why the great Justice of Law, Justice Ube, is heading this matter. I want to let you know front that Justice Ube is a no-nonsense fellow. So I would like yourselves to conduct yourselves well in this meeting, so that in less than 1 month I will have the result of this matter. I don't want this meeting to be what it's not supposed to be. This panel is purely a judicial panel of inquiry. What they will do is everybody that disagrees, including people that are here, that have any evidence with respect to the issue at hand, that is the complaints about brutality and torture I had of SARS that is now prescribed, to please present it to this panel for proper adjudication. The ultimate objective of this is, at the end of the day, if there are some people that are really that we can prove that we are really affected, the government may pay some compensation to those people. It's also important that this panel works in a way that shows credibility. Things thrown to you must be very well discussed and ventilated, so that you don't jump to conclusions. Keep an open mind as we sit in this panel, and take facts as they come and review them. This panel can also recommend appropriate sanctions for people that were found guilty, and of course, compensation for people that were affected, if you will. Again, the time frame is going to be less than 1 month, so that we can quickly tie up this. So that's basically what this panel is all about. You to continue to conduct yourselves in this beautiful manner. You've been an exemplary kind of Nigerian society. Don't be sponsored by funny people. Just be and let this panel solve all the remaining problems you've presented. First, we have discharged everybody that is illegally detained in the SARS office. Of course, the SARS is closed. The opposite SARS is now converted to a CID location. To today, all the prisoners, all the detainees that were there, we are today moved to the prison in line with the constitution, because you hold detainees in prison, not in police custody. You know, particularly detainees that have been that the court has remanded. The court has remanded. Those detainees are in prison. You know. So I believe that our state will continue to be a shining light to other states. Where we have been exemplary in terms of being the safest state in Nigeria, and we will continue to be so by God's grace. Part of the reason why we are doing this is to continue to have that ability to be the safest state. It will assist this panel majorly in terms of both the funding and in terms of processing the documents that will, the whole document, full of documents that will be presented to yourselves. You know. On this note, if you stand up, I will gladly inaugurate. Well, by the powers conferred on me as the governor of Anambra State, I hereby inaugurate yourselves as members of this Judicial Panel of Inquiry on the brutality of SARS in Anambra State. Thank you very much.